Hi crew, welcome back. Today in this video, we're talking about the power of having a structured flow in your weekly workout routine. If you're like most people, you may have had a variety of different training styles and approaches, only to find out that the results are hard to come by and hard to maintain. Well, what if I told you that by blending in 3 simple styles of training into your programming, you can establish faster and more sustainable results? Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Anthony. I'm a strength and conditioning coach, and with my wife Lindsay, we have over 30 years collectively in the health and fitness industry. We help fitness enthusiasts, racers, and runners just like you train smarter, not harder, with less burnout so that you can maximize your performance in fitness, fuel, and life. In this series, we're taking out all the BS and providing you with a straightforward, to-the-point breakdown of the ultimate training guide that is based on the art and science of thousands of hours of fitness success. Now it's time to dive into 3 styles of training that, when blended into your weekly routine, can lead to faster and better results than anything you have ever done in the past. First up, we have strength training. This is all about focusing in on the major lifts, such as deadlifts, squats, pull-ups, and bench presses. All those major lifts that you can think of, right? By incorporating what we call cross-pattern training, where you work upper body push movements and lower body hinge movements, while on opposite strength days, you work upper body pull movements and lower body squat movements. The goal here is to build strength in the working muscles while creating a stimulus that works the whole body without overloading one area at a time. Next, we have high intensity interval training, or HIIT. This is all about working at high efforts, followed by inadequate rest periods. The goal is to maximize oxygen output while training the body to recover quickly. It's best to limit these workouts to 20 to 35 minutes, as intensity determines duration, and the focus is on building an anaerobic capacity, not strength gains. Finally, we have steady state training. This style focuses on creating a sense of recovery through active movement. Whether it's a jog, bike ride, walk, or even a yoga or restorative class, the goal here is to work on balance of the body and mind, while building specific goals such as cardiovascular endurance or mobility. So there you have it. By blending in and integrating these 3 styles of training, you can create success and results time and time again. And if you haven't, click the link in the description below to download the Ultimate Training Guide, and make sure that you subscribe and hit that like bell so you will be notified when the next chapter is released. Also, make sure to watch the other chapters of this series and follow along with the guide. It is here where we break down each chart like we just did in detail, which will help set you up for your ultimate health and fitness success.